In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two datasets in Google Sheets. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their data analysis capabilities, especially when you're dealing with large sets of information and need to quickly identify matches or discrepancies. First, we'll begin by opening a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive and selecting New, followed by Google Sheets. Alternatively, if you have the specific Google Sheet ready that you'd like to work with, go ahead and open that one. Once you've got your spreadsheet up and running, you should see your different sheets at the bottom, typically labeled as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. Now, let's move on to starting the comparison. Begin by selecting a cell where you'd like to display the results of your comparison. Simply click on the cell to highlight it. It's best to choose a cell in an empty column adjacent to the data you wish to compare to keep your sheet organized and easy to read. Next, we'll input a formula designed to compare your data sets. Type in the following formula: equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, B2, comma, sheet 2, exclamation mark, $, B, $, 2, colon, $, B, $, 9, comma, 1, comma, false, close parenthesis. This formula is powerful because it searches for the value in cell B2 of your current sheet and checks if it exists in the range B2 to B9 on sheet 2. The false part ensures an exact match is found. Once the formula is typed correctly into the cell, proceed by pressing the Enter key. Doing this runs the formula, and you'll instantly see a result in the cell you initially selected. If the value in B2 of your current sheet is found within the specified range in sheet 2, the same value will appear in the cell. If not, you'll see NA, indicating no match was found. Now, to extend this comparison to the rest of your dataset, you'll want to apply the autofill feature. Click back onto the cell where you've placed your VLOOKUP formula. You should see a small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell, known as the fill handle. Click and hold this square, then drag it down the column to apply the same formula to adjacent cells. This method efficiently fills the comparison formula across all your desired rows, ensuring a comprehensive match check between your two datasets. And that's it. You've successfully compared two datasets in Google Sheets using VLOOKUP. Whether you're managing inventories, analyzing user data, or merging datasets, this technique provides a seamless and efficient way to identify similarities or differences, making your data handling all the more powerful. Thanks for watching and happy data analyzing.